kanina pa po narinig ko that you are not involved in Lucky South 999 operation. But inadmit mo po that during your visit in Pagcor to settle the accounts of Lucky South 999 with Harry Roque, bakit ikaw? Di ba sabi mo kanina, you're not involved in the operation of Lucky South 999? Then all of a sudden, you represent Lucky South 999 sa Pagcor na alam mo po kung pinag-usapan doon, na the sale of the property in which ang claim mo is real property lang kayo. And you've said na hindi ka involved sa Pogo. But now, you're confirming that you represent Lucky South 999 to settle the account of a Pogo licensee, which is Lucky South 999, doon sa Pagcor. Napaka-inconsistent po.
Hindi po.
Bakit hindi?
Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun ang problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po.
Yeah, tapos
Pero
na
po, hindi po ako, wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Ms. Ong. Allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pa-cute eh.
Wow.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie,